So, okay, got the door. Hold on, guys. Oh my god. Oh, hi.
Hi.
How's it going? I'm just making a flip video. Just whatever.
I'm ready.
Oh yeah, she's ready. All right.
Wait, no, I'm not ready. I gotta.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay, yes, I am ready.
Just sit back really far. Trust me.
What is it?
Keep them closed, Annika. Keep them closed.
What did you do?
We got you puppies.
You're kidding.
No.
They're gonna live here now.
My gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh
Can you even
my
believe
God.
it? No.
Finally. In the middle of the school year. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
So what do you want to name the little boy?
Romeo.
We've been calling him
I'm gonna
Romeo
name this
already,
one Juliet since it's a girl.
I already named her Emma.
Hi.
Be gentle with him. That's your baby.
Hi, Amber, baby.
It's your baby.
Hold him under his butt too.
I can't believe that you got me dogs.
We got Poochie, the little girl, and we got the little boy for you.
Oh
So I named the little girl Ember.
my gosh, I can't believe in the middle of the school year. I mean, not in the middle.
Before the middle.
Come here, babies. Let them sit on the floor. They'll play with you.
You're so
Sit
cute.
on the floor, honey. They'll play with you over here.
Come here, boy. Come here.
He's a kissy boy.
Uh-oh. Careful.
Stop, you guys.
Just don't lay down.
Oh my gosh.
If you don't lay down, they won't get at your face. If you just sit on the floor and sit
Oh my
up,
God.
honey, they really want to see you. They like you.
Come here, Amber.
Look at little Romeo. He's like, where's my bundle?
Come here. Come here, boy. Oh. You really got me
Amber.
dogs?
We really did. Can you even believe it?
And 3? You have 3 dogs now. I thought you didn't want 3.
Well, I swear, they're like not even the size of a real dog. They're like
You
half
guys.
of a dog right now.
You're so
Annika, you want me to get you a toy so you can play toy with them?
cute.
Ember.
Oh my gosh. Romeo. Come here, Romeo boy. Mwah.
When you pick him up, Bubba.
You bought them new toys?
Squeak it for them. They love that toy.
You want Romeo?
Give it a little toss. Give it a little toss. I think they mostly want to see you right now.
Oh, Eddie.
Yeah.
Good girl, Eddie.
Mommy.
Not you, Romeo.
Thank you so much. Come here, Romeo. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, boy. He's my baby. Yeah.
Yeah.
Be careful when you pick him up. I know.
Careful, all right?
And you bought me a boy, too?
You told me you loved
That
him.
one is a little nibbler.
Yeah, when
Don't let him
nibbles.
nibble on you. You give him a toy. Give him one of their toys to
Your butt is clean, Sniff.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you want the ball?
Squeeze it.
Oh, it squeaks? That's so cool. Eddie wants it. Come here, Romeo. Come here, boy. Oh my gosh.
Amber.
Mommy, hooray.
Samara, they just see her.
Mm.
I know. I don't want her to get overwhelmed.
Samara, she's not.
They like knocked her over. Seriously.
I still love you, Poochie.
I love you too. It's okay if you prefer her. I don't mind. Samara.
You want the toy?
Don't do that, honey.
Oh my gosh,
It's
she.
set up for you. Samara,
He's-
I mean,
he begged.
don't do that. Leave it down on the ground and then just
A
kind
good
of
name for
toss
him
it.
would also be Mozart.